all of this pattern inside of this box. It's so just beautiful. And so today we're going to make an unboxing video, guys. As you can see, we have here, grab your crochet wand and craft some magic. Nice. From the films of Harry Potter, crochet 14 magical projects from the Harry Potter films. Stitch Up. Harry Potter Crochet contains an illustrated instruction book that guides you step by step through each pattern, along with materials to make Harry Potter and Dobby the house elf, 9 colors of yarns, embroidery, thread, a crochet hook shaped with Harry's wand. Nice. Stuffing, plastic safety, eyes, and a yarn needle. Wow. All of this pattern inside of this box, it's so just beautiful. I really loved it. So use a crochet hook that looks like Harry's wand. Lucy Collins has combined her passion for designing creatures and characters with her love of science fiction and fantasy. She has created patterns for the book Hollywood Crochet and is the author of Star Wars Crochet. And this is the front. Let's see what we have here. 14 magical project from the Wizarding World. Let's see that. Harry Potter, yeah, who doesn't love Harry Potter? This is so cool. I received this as a present again on Christmas, and again, as I said, I opened them separately. Wow, so this is what they meant. I think this is for the eyes. They have needles, eyes, nice kind of eyes. Nice kind of eyes. Just have to stick them inside. Cute. Yellow and black. 2 eyes here. We have 2 eyes. Is this? I don't know what this is for, but let's see that in the instructions. So what is this here? Let's see. Harry Potter crochet. Wow, so magical. I feel in Harry Potter's world now. In English. I was afraid this could be in German, but thankfully, thank you, it is in English. Yay! I'm so happy. I really thought it's in German, but then it takes time for me to translate all of these letters. But hey, it's in English. Beautiful. Now I'm more in love with it. Cool. Let's see that, guys. I see. Headwag materials. So let's see an example. Let's start in the beginning, okay? Harry Potter Crochet, Lucy Collins. Introduction. This is what about of this book. Introduction about this kit, abbreviation charts, notes on tools and materials, crochet stitches and techniques, embroidery stitches, award on wands, project number 1 until number 14. All the characters we're going to use. To make, sorry, about the author and acknowledgements. Nice. About this kit, all of these ones here. This kit contains the tools and materials you will need to make Harry and Dobby. 3.5mm hook, fashion to look like Harry's wand, a yarn needle, 9 colors of yarns, embroidery, floss, safety eyes, and stuffing. I see. So abbreviations: front fasten off, front loop only, bubble stitch, back loop only. Those are the special stitches, special kind of stitches. Invisible decrease. Nice. This is Harry Potter. Oh, nice instruction. How to make stitches. perfect, guys. So like this. Just want to go through all these books here. This is the wand. Hermione Granger, I don't know. Whatever. Ron Weasley, student robe and scarf. Yeah, the best friend. Yeah, my favorite. Dobby, the house elf. Cute, so cute. And this is how we make hair. I'm not really making into an amigurumi. If I'm going to make an amigurumi, this is the very first time I'm going to make an amigurumi. No, it's not. I'm sorry. I make just realized. I'm sorry. I just remember. I make what's the name of this? The fruit, the cherry. This is amigurumi. Yeah, make amigurumis, but not a fruit. A fruit, but not like this, stuffed toys. The teachers. Ah, I like her so much. The hat also. The sorting hat. Which one goes to which? Ah, this is where the eyes goes. Ah, they put so this is how they make it. They put a color on the eyes, then it looks more scarier. I was wondering one time how they make it. Is it from the yarn or color? Nice. And then the owl. So that's it. And this is our wand. So cute. How many millimeter hook is this? I would say 3 to 4, I think. No, it says here it was 3 something. So cute. La la la, it's Leviosa. No, it's from Harry. So cute. I'm having fun. Look at this. Closer. So cute. So this is our yarns, guys. Sorry, I'm fascinated in all of these parts here. This is the yarns we have. Wow. Make sure you follow the instructions, so then all of these yarns is fit perfectly. Otherwise, you will need to get your own yarn. That's why there's instructions. But don't worry, I'm gonna guide you guys through. Oh, this is a really nice color. I'm gonna guide you guys how to make all of this, of course, with the credit of the creator here. I saw this online in Amazon, so if you wanna grab this one, I'll put the link in the description box below, so you know also that you have this kind of yarn, so it's easily for you to find it. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you. Bye.